A very good morning to all of you. I am Parneet Kaur, Master Student of CSC Department in Thapar University. I have completed my thesis on the topic of comparison and analysis of service oriented architecture under the supervision of Dr. Anil Kumar Verma and Dr. Rajiv Kumar. So let's begin. First of all, the introduction part, that is, what is service? Service is the core key component of SOA Foundation. Services are self contained and standard part of business functionality with a specified outcome. Services should not depend on the state or context of other services. Service. Next is service oriented architecture. Service oriented architecture is an architectural model that depends on an open standard platform, an independent design and language independent technologies, and focus on service based solution as a way to improve the efficiency and performance of an enterprise. SOA is a conceptual architecture design approach to develop, design, deploy and manage business information system. Services in SOA share a communication model with well-defined API. Consumer can access SOA service to create new business process from any location by using any device. Next is literature survey. Different SOA frameworks have been created for web services, enterprise architecture, software engineering, operating system, electronic productions, mobile computing system, and frameworks of the scientific workflow structure. Johal et al. Have provided a performance analysis for the most significant methods, that is, SOAP and REST, that are utilized for building and implementation of web services for Android based mobile devices. Rajni et al. Propose architecture for healthcare environment. This architecture enhances the authentication technique based on SOA to find any material from the web service using a journal or knowledge based search. A new algorithm named as Minute matching algorithm has been proposed. It uses the labeling technique for authentication technology. Clement et al. Proposed a SOA reference architecture for smart cities. In these cities, each connected system in the city renders microservices and services benefits in the SOA sense can become progressively complex frameworks that use the existing infrastructure. Kumari et al. Have provided the performance of web services application for enterprise application integration in view of SOAP and REST has been compared. They have considered a loan broker system. In this, customers send requests to different bank to request a best loan quote. Web services work on network throughput. So throughput and response time is considered as a parameter for assessment. Rowan et al. Proposed SOA architecture for the development of shopping sites. This architecture design can eliminate service consolidation and extension issues due to business transformation and advancement. Gomati et al. Proposed the SOA reference architecture. It guarantees that SOA has been united together in engagements in the best processes around the world, and customers have been exposed to high performance with post and more than ever before. Next is research problem. Clarification of the problem domain and the meaning of the functional and non-functional requirement essentials for the entire framework are included in the SOA analysis. It is important to consider that how we can implement SOA in the most efficient way. When we develop services in the analysis and design phase of the application advancement, it is important to consider some methodologies and configuration issues because service orientation requires particular decision on the structure and modules of the application architecture. Objectives. A performance comparative analysis would be done among different SOA web services to make a decision regarding how we can implement SOA in the most efficient way. It is required to show the fundamental principles and concepts of service based application development, to get a handful experience on Oracle SOA Suite 12c. Implementation. We have considered the currency exchange example for evaluating SOA. Oracle SOA Suite 12c and Oracle XE11g database is used to develop currency exchange SOA service. We have configured a Oracle WebLogic domain. In this domain, we have created the one server instance as an administrator server, and we have created manage SOA server and node manager. We have created currency exchange service with two methods. One is SOAP and another is REST. Results. We can test the currency exchange web service in Oracle JDevelopers 12c or Oracle Enterprise Manager. We provide the payload in the specified fields, means we provide the country code of currencies and then click on send request. It will give us conversion price of currency. We compare both SOA services in terms of response time. In this table shows the response time for SOA and REST services. When there is only one client, the SOAP service takes 2723 milliseconds to service a request. On the other hand, REST service only takes 76 milliseconds. When the number of clients are increased, it, it becomes 5. Then SOAP take 4994 millisecond and REST take 1995 millisecond to service a request. Graphical representation shows that increasing the number of clients does not affect response time of REST service in a drastic manner. Conclusion. We have created currency exchange service with two methods. One is based on SOAP and another is currency exchange service based on REST. We create XML schema, BPL process and database adapter for the currency exchange web service. Since currency exchange service based on REST has a better response time than SOAP service as we increase the number of clients, there are sufficient tools available to build SOAP services, so it is convenient to build SOAP based application. Thank you.